what's up guys, this is Jordan here, and today in this video, let's review the Oneplus Nord Buds Truly wireless Bluetooth earphones, and let me help you make a purchase decision. Oneplus, as we know, is a smartphone manufacturing company, but they also have a few Bluetooth earphones, and amongst them is the Oneplus Nord Buds. So are these any better? Let's find out. The Oneplus Nord Buds are an in-ear design earbuds, which means they will completely seal your ear canal. I have them in black color and they are available in other colors as well. These are priced at 2,799 Indian rupees on Amazon India, and I will leave the Best Buy links in the description below if you guys are interested. Now just to give you a physical overview, on the top of the charging case we have the OnePlus branding, while on the front we have the charging indicator LED. On the back we have a USB Type-C charging port and a setup button. Then inside the case we have the earbuds and the magnetic charging contact pins. On the earbuds we find the touch area, the microphone, and on the back we have the charging contacts. As for the build quality, the case is made up of plastic which looks good enough and doesn't look cheap at all. The one I have with me is the matte black color, but they are also available in bunch of other colors as well. There's no movement of the earbuds inside the charging case, as the magnet is strong enough to hold the earbuds in its place. The earbuds on the other hand are also made up of good quality plastic, and the build quality is good enough. So overall, I was very satisfied with the build quality. Connecting the earphones to your phone was very quick and easy. Firstly, turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Then press the setup button on the back of the case for a few seconds until the white light starts glowing, which indicates the earbuds are ready to pair. Then open the Bluetooth search interface on your phone and locate Oneplus Nord Buds, and then click Connect to pair your earbuds with your smartphone. As for the touch controls, the touch area is big enough and it's easily accessible, and it was quite responsive. Single tapping on either earbud will play or pause the music, and to answer or end a call. Double tapping on the right earbud will skip to the next song, and double tapping on the left earbud will return to the previous song. These all can be changed using the Hey Melody app. It's also worth noting that these are IP55 water and sweat resistant, so you can use them while working out. They are also equipped with Bluetooth 5.2 technology and has a range of approximately 10 meters. After approximately 10 meters of walking away from the phone, I felt stuttering in the music. As for the music playtime, I managed to get approximately 6 hours of music playback on the earbuds alone, and around 30 hours combined with the charging case. It has a battery capacity of 41 mAh per earbud and 480 mAh for the charging case. The call quality on the other hand was good, I would say, and I rarely got a complaint from the receiver's end. As for the charging time, I managed to charge the earphones with a charging case from 0 to 100% in approximately 1.5 hours, and it also worth noting that a 10-minute charge gives you approximately 4 hours of music playtime. Coming to the comfort now, there are 3 different types of tips included in the box, and choosing the right tip is very important for a good comfort. I use the default tips and I have had no problems at all. The earbuds are angled slightly for a comfortable fit, and they stay in my ears most of the time. Even while jogging or walking, they stayed firmly in my ears, but if you do some rigorous movement of your head, then they might tend to fall off. I haven't had any discomfort from the earbuds even after using them for a longer period of time. As for the latency, the Oneplus Nord Buds have a 94 ms low latency mode. I noticed no delay at all when I played a game of Call of Duty mobile, and no lip syncing issues while watching videos. So when it comes to the latency, I was really satisfied and happy with these earbuds. Now coming to the sound quality, the Oneplus Nord Buds sound really good in my opinion, and are really quite loud as well. If you're a bass lover, then this won't get you disappointed, and even at higher volumes, the sound doesn't get distorted. The highs and hits, on the other hand, were good to my liking. I could easily distinguish between them while listening to different types of music. The vocals were good and clear, but I felt sometimes they got kinda lost with the higher bass. You can also use one earbud at a time if you don't want to use both the earbuds, and it works well with calls and music, although you won't get that stereo effect which you get while using both the earbuds. I would rate the Oneplus Nord Buds 9 out of 10 for the build quality and 8.5 out of 10 for the sound quality. Finally, as for my verdict, the Oneplus Nord Buds offer a reasonable amount of performance for the price, including a good design, a decent battery life, good sound quality, and some useful features like fast charging and quick switch. That said, the lack of ANC put it at a disadvantage compared to the competition. But if you want a punchy, fun sounding pair of earbuds for less than 3000 Indian rupees and can manage without ANC, then these are a worthwhile pick. So guys, that's it for the video, and I really hope you liked it. If you all did, then kindly hit that thumbs up button and do subscribe to me if you all haven't, and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever a new video goes live. So until next time, you guys take care. Ciao.